Today, I'm gonna tell you about Booltool. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. Booltool is an all-in-one AI-powered content creation toolkit that lets you edit images and videos right from your browser. An all-in-one editing toolkit that uses AI to optimize your images and video content. Remove, replace, or blur image backgrounds automatically, and make manual adjustments too. Use AI to edit photos and videos right from your browser. No downloads or technical skills required. Optimizing your visual content. By optimizing your visual content, I mean removing backgrounds to put the focus on what you're selling. I mean getting rid of objects that don't serve the overall goal. When it comes to social media content or product images, it can make all the difference. To get started, you only need to upload your images. Here's how it works. Booltool's AI engine will analyze everything in seconds. The AI automatically separates the subject from the background. Now you see it. You can manually adjust the edges, erase or repair, and resize brushes. When it's all good, just download the subject without the background, or let the AI optimize your background for maximum engagement. Then there's the object eraser feature. Let's say you want to remove these surfers, for instance. Amazing pictures, stunning videos, and wonderful texts are all at your fingertips. Well, you can just drag the brush over them, and Booltool's AI will pluck them straight out of those waters, like they were never there. Creation of innovative, high-quality content using cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. Booltool can automatically enhance video quality, so everything's in high definition. Here's a little bonus feature. Animation effects. You can add some peaceful snowfall, or inject a little moody rain, whatever inspires you. You just got to click on one of these dyno filters and see how you feel. An AI-powered tool right in your browser that made it easy to create polished visuals for your brand. With Booltool, you can edit photos and enhance videos in one place. No need to download and switch between different platforms. You will be able to perfect your visual content even if you're not an editing or graphic design expert. Start creating stunning visuals right from your browser in just a few clicks. Not satisfied with the automatic edit, you can manually adjust which parts of the image background are displayed. Use the object eraser to remove unwanted subjects, flaws, or watermarks without needing to reshoot or touch Photoshop. Simply highlight what you want to remove, and Booltool will fill that space to match its surroundings so you can't even tell it's been edited. Best of all, you can draw attention to your image by blurring backgrounds that are too busy, badly lit, or distracting. You will be able to adjust the strength of the blur effect to be dramatic or subtle, achieving the right balance between foreground and background. Whether you're selling products or taking headshots, you won't have to worry about the wrong background ruining the end result. Quickly edit and enhance visual content with an all-in-one AI-powered content creation toolkit. Booltool lets you use AI-powered features right in your browser, so you can edit your visual content without any design chops. Simplify your editing process. So, click on the link below to Booltool for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.